Good morning, sir. We are going to represent our research titled Technology Transfer and the Challenges of Innovation in Developing Economies. So first is the abstract. So let me summarize it. The abstract is the technology transfer is crucial for economic growth, but many developing countries face challenges in adopting and innovating from transfer technologies.
Chapter 2, Review of Related Literature. This section explains that technology transfer plays a key role in industrialization and innovation, especially in developing countries. However, the Philippines continues to face obstacles such as inefficient funding with research institutions and limited collaboration between universities and industries. According to the text, international reports highlight that the country's innovation capacity remains only moderate due to gaps in R&D, investment, and technology commercialization. The review also notes that scholars emphasize the importance of national innovation system, which is support knowledge flow and technological learning. Even with government initiatives like the DOST, Innovation Council and Technology, Business Incubator, the Philippines still struggles with technology absorption. Issues such as awareness of intellectual property management and lack of funding for applied research continue to slow down growth. Overall, the chapter aims to combine insight from existing literature to suggest strategies that can strengthen the national innovation ecosystem.
Chapter 3, Research Methodology. This research adopts a qualitative, literature-based approach. Secondary data will be collected from published academic articles, policy report, and institutional studies. Sources include databases such as Google Scholar and Science Direct. The official Philippine government website like DOST, NEDA, and the World Bank.
Chapter 5, Conclusion and Recommendation. This study examined the role of technology transfers and the challenges that hinder innovations in developing economies. The findings reveals that although technology transfers has the potential to accelerate economic growth, many countries struggle to fully benefit from it due to several constraints. Limited technological capabilities, insufficient R&D investments, weak institutional frameworks, and indicate government policies continue to obstruct the successful adoptions of advanced technologies. Furthermore, the results indicates that innovations remains limited in many developing nations because technology is often imported rather than developed locally. The lack of skilled human capital, poor policies coordinations, and minimal collaborations among universities, industries, and government agencies further weaken innovation system. Overall, the study concludes that technology transfers can contribute significantly to economic development, but only when supported by strong institutions, effective policies, and culture that encourages innovation. Recommendations. Based on the findings of this study, the following recommendations are proposed. Number 1. Strengthen institutional and policy framework. Governments should improve regulations related to intellectual property rights, investment policies, and technology commercializations. Clear, supportive policies will encourage both foreign inventors and local innovators. Number 2. Increase investments in research and development, R&D. Developing economies should allocate more resources to R&D activities in universities and industries. This will help build local innovations capacity instead of relying heavily on imported technologies. Number 3, enhance human capital development. Training programs, scholarships, and partnerships with international institutions should be promoted to develop skilled scientists engineers and technical professionals who can absorb and innovate from transferred technologies. References: Sarita 2025, Costa 2022, and Agamotto 2020.